The secret to using consequences when you need them is to spend some time identifying the types of consequences that are available to you and that you're willing to follow through with. Ones that you know are fair and should have the desired effect. In the Just 7 Steps approach, we recommend reduction techniques when it is necessary. That is, the refusal to give or the removal of access to some form of reinforcement for a short period of time as a consequence to a behavior you don't want to continue to see. It might mean removing a toy, turning off the TV, or taking back their phone for a short period of time. But it should be something you know is fair, you know you will be willing to follow through with, and you will likely give your child good reason to work to avoid that consequence in the future. But remember, focusing only on the negative is never a good idea. These are break glass measures when necessary. They're not supposed to be the goal of your parenting plan.